Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made this wig that I have on right now. This beautiful, fabulous, super cute wig that I have on right now. I basically made this wig in like 30 minutes, y'all. It literally did not take me long at all to make this wig. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. And this is all thanks to Jenna Collection new XXX 1-pack solution. Y'all, this is something so amazing. I've never seen anything like it. And honestly, I don't know why nobody thought of this sooner. This product honestly made everything so much easier to do. And this is wonderful for people who, who've never made a wig and, who want to start learning. So once again, the product that I'm talking about is from Jenna Collection, and it is their new XXX 1-pack solution, which basically has all the pieces that you need in order to make a wig. And when I say pieces, I literally mean pieces. Like, think of it as basically like as a frontal, but a frontal for all the parts of your head, if that makes any sense. But it'll make sense in a little bit because I'm gonna show you guys a step-by-step tutorial as to how I did it. Also, special thanks to Cosmo Biz magazine for sending me this product for a review. Thank y'all so much, and shout out to y'all for that. Alright y'all, so for the sake of not having this video be super long, we're going to jump right into the tutorial, and then after I show y'all how I make the wig, then we're going to come back and talk about, the hair and, my thoughts on it. So I'm going to see y'all back in a little bit, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright you guys, so here is the Jenna Collection XXX 1-pack solution. So all the pieces that you're going to need are right here in this pack, and you have your frontal, and then you have your middle piece, top piece, and of course the bottom piece. And all I'm gonna do is sew the frontal down. So I'm showing you guys the frontal now. I'm just gonna sew that down right on this wig cap that I'm using, and that's really simple. Just pin the frontal down in the front of the cap, and then just go ahead and basically sew that around. Now for this specific piece right here, I'm cutting down the bottom part, and this is the very back part, by the way. So I'm cutting down the bottom part, and then I'm gonna pin that down to secure that into place, and then I'm just gonna sew all the way around. So what you want to do is just sew all the way around this piece. So once you have that piece sewn down, now we're going to move on to the middle part. So you have your frontal, you have your back. Now this is the middle part that you got to sew down. And again, I repeat the exact same steps for all these pieces. So I've already pinned down the sides of the middle piece. And now again, I'm just using my needle and thread to go all the way around and sew this piece. Now specifically for the last two pieces, for this middle piece and then for the top piece, you're going to have to remember to sew the bottom part down. So as you can see, if you don't sew the bottom part of those pieces down, your wig will rise up in the back. So make sure that you sew that down. So once you have that piece sewn down, again, you're going to repeat the exact same step for the very last piece. So that is going to be the piece between your frontal and your middle piece. So that's going to connect everything and bring everything together. When I'm sewing it down, I make sure that I sew it with the frontal. So when I'm stitching, I make sure that I connect the stitches between this top piece and the frontal so that it's as secure as possible. And yeah, like I said, you just, again, repeat the same steps and you just sew all the way around. Again, making sure that you sew both the top part and also the part underneath this piece. once you're finished with all of that, this is basically the final product. You're all finished. This was really simple, guys. It really didn't take a lot of work. It was really quick. So now all you got to do is just go in and pluck the frontal a little bit, and then also, of course, cut out the excess lace, and yeah, and then cut out the extra wig cap underneath, and that's basically it. All right, y'all, so as you saw, that is exactly how I made the wig. It really, like I said before, it really did not take long at all. For me, it was around 30 to 35 minutes that it took me to make this wig. I feel like it'll take you an hour max to make this wig. It's really simple. You literally put the pieces where they need to go and you just sew it up. So I absolutely love this product, and I think it's genius, and I honestly don't know why like no one thought of it before. So as for the hair, this is human hair, and you can basically do anything that you would do to, you know, your regular bundles with. So you can dye it, you can cut it, wash it, do whatever it is. And as you can see, you can also put heat on it, and this hair takes heat very well. It did not take me long at all to get, you know, this curl pattern and this style that you see. It literally probably took me like 10-15 minutes to curl this hair. I didn't bleach the knots just because I didn't have enough time to, you know, sit there and bleach the knots. But yeah, so I didn't bleach the knots, but I just went ahead and added a little bit of powder and a little bit of baby hairs onto the frontal. Honestly, so far I can't really tell the difference between, like, you know, expensive bundles and this hair, because it's honestly right now it is the same. It's giving me the same feel, giving me the same look, same texture and everything. And now, of course, there's always room for improvement. So a couple of things that, you know, I want to see change with this product. Definitely the density of each part. When you look at the hair, when you look at me, you probably can't tell that it's, you know, not too full, because it looks, you know, very nice and full. But when I touch it and stuff like that, I don't feel that it's as full as it can be. So I think future improvement will definitely be if, you know, the density of the hair was a little bit thicker. I think that would just, you know, knock this out of the park. Then also another thing is that the length of the hair is 16 inches. I think it would be really cool if the company could create this exact same thing, but also have a range in length. Because I know some people like short hair, but some people also like, you know, their inches and stuff like that. So I think if the company were to go ahead and, you know, maybe have different options when it comes to length, I think that would also be really good. But those two things are really like the only flaws that I really see with this hair product, because once again, y'all, I absolutely love this. Like, it blew my mind at how fast I could, you know, create something like this. I honestly wish that I came up with this. I could be so rich right now. And as far as shedding goes, I'm not getting, you know, a lot of shedding. When I run my fingers through, I am getting, you know, a few strands, you know, here and there, but not too much. As you can see over here, it's just one strand that I got. So shedding is not crazy at all. The hair is soft, takes a curl well, moves very well. It's beautiful. All in all, Janet Collection did a wonderful job with this. I think it's really cool and I really love it. But yeah, y'all, so that's basically all I had to say. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you also watch all of my other hair videos and wig videos and just all my other videos in general. I do a lot of affordable wig reviews, so if you're interested in that, definitely make sure that you go and check out my channel, as well as subscribe to my channel and click that little bell button so that every time that I upload, you can be notified about it. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.